So Opus 5 is here, folks, but it says that it is not pricier than Opus 4.8. There's the trick. It can become pricier, although on paper the per input and output token per million cost is the same between Opus 5 and Opus 4.8. But however, the real world task costs can vary because Opus 5 possesses more advanced reasoning and autonomous capabilities. It tends to be more deliberate and can generate longer, more detailed responses. At matched effort levels, this can result in Opus 5 using roughly 2x more output tokens than Opus 4.8. So, output token, why deliberate and can generate longer detailed responses, but while it is deliberating, so it is reasoning more. So, internal reasoning tokens mismatch can also happen in terms of billing and everything, which can make the final bill. So they are talking here near fable intelligence. Interesting. So I was Opus 5. I no. Let's Miriam. This is the first interaction I am having with Opus 5 on live. Okay, let's see how it feels. Opus 5, testing for the first time, sharing with you folks. I don't know why, just for fun maybe. And I will. It is the first message of the day. So I will see how much of this 5 hour limit, this kind of mid difficulty or lower difficulty task for Opus 5. Probably just taking a look at the interest. So this initial list that I have shared with it was actually created by Opus 4.7 probably. So Opus 5 is kind of critiquing Opus 4.7's work here. Seems quite good. It is not updated yet. The new ones and add the new ones as phrase where the word is only bad. Extra only where the word is always bad. Interesting. Very, very interesting, isn't it? So overall, I don't feel that it will be that much more heavy than the 4.8 for general tasks. So Opus 5 is probably will be the default for me from now on in Cloud Code.